Setting up out of office replies is really straightforward. You click on the cog in the top right hand corner, click on View All Outlook Settings, go to Automatic Replies and turn them on. Now if you turn them on simply like this, what that will mean is that they're going to be on until you turn them off. If you tick this box, send replies only during a time period, you've got more options of picking certain dates and times to do it between. So for example, as a teacher going away on the summer holiday, I could choose the summer holiday period and I could set up those automatic replies. You can choose whether the replies are for people outside your organisation or school, or if they're inside. You've also got options for blocking your calendar out, automatically declining any invitations for events that occur, so you don't need to worry that people that might be waiting on a reply. If you tick that box, any invites for Teams meetings or anything that might come in will automatically be declined along with the response message. And then you can decline and cancel any meetings that you were scheduled to have in there. You can pose your messages in these boxes, again the difference being whether you're replying to somebody inside your business or organisation or somebody outside, because you might want to tone it differently. And then all you do is you press save. Now I'm not going to do that just in case I forget. But it's that simple. And once you've pressed save, they are then up and running either straight away or between the date period that you set.